Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on PS5 using your smartphone as a controller. First, you'll need to download the free Just Dance controller app on your smartphone. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Make sure your PlayStation 5 console and your smartphone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network for seamless communication. This is a crucial first step. Once the app is installed and your devices are on the same network, launch Just Dance on your PlayStation 5. Then, open the Just Dance controller app on your smartphone. The app should automatically detect your console. Simply select it to connect. Hold your smartphone firmly in your right hand, ensuring a good grip, as it will track your movements during gameplay. During gameplay, your main goal is to mimic the on-screen coach's movements as accurately as you can. The app primarily tracks the motion of your right hand, so focus on making those movements precise. Try to hit the moves with perfect timing to earn the highest scores. There are different scoring levels, from OK to perfect, so practice makes perfect. To enhance your Just Dance experience, invite up to 6 friends to join you, each using their own smartphone as a controller. Explore the different game modes available, such as Sweat Mode, which turns your dancing into a fun workout. Always remember to stay hydrated and ensure you have ample space around you to move freely and safely while dancing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.